Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everyone's safe and sound. So, in this video, we've listed the 6 coolest first-person shooter browser games that you can play directly on the web browser. Unfortunately, most of the FPS browser games have been removed off the market. What's left are independent first-person shooter games, which are playable but frequently have issues. Anyways, let's get started with the video. So, the first one in our list is Rush Team. If you want a straightforward, conventional shooter experience, try Rush Team. Even though it's just a browser game, this first-person shooter is one of the greatest tactical shooters you should play. It's packed with competition and battle. The typical gameplay components are included, such as melee weapons, handguns, rifles, grenades, etc. Although Rush Team does have a free-for-all mode, its team-based goal-focused matches are where it shines. Although several decorative and gameplay elements are exclusively available to VIPs, you won't need them because you can get by without them. Number 2. Global Strike. This first-person shooter browser game is well known for its intense multiplayer combat. If you wish to quit experiencing motion sickness when playing video games, you shouldn't play this one since you need to keep your eyes on the screen in order to succeed. Team Deathmatch and Mutation are only two of the game's many modes that keep it from getting monotonous. Global Strike is perceived as a pay-to-win game by certain gamers. It has a store where you can spend real money to purchase characters, weapons, and other items. As a result, some gamers will spend their own money on the strongest weaponry in the game. They now have a huge competitive edge over other players, which might adversely affect games. As a result of the community's passion to Global Strike, there is a significant skill gap, so don't give up if you're having trouble in the beginning. Number 3. War Brokers. Like Krunker, War Brokers also has blocky visuals. By changing your look and selecting your weapons, you may personalize your character. Choose from a range of weaponry in War Brokers, including a rifle, sniper, homing missile, minigun, and more. War Brokers is one of the greatest browser-based first-person shooter games available right now because to all of these possibilities, including the possibility to operate vehicles. There are 2 game types available for now, Classic and Battle Royale. Several game types, including Team Deathmatch and Vehicle Escort, are included in the Classic edition. You'll fit right in with this browser-based FPS if you're a competitive PvP gamer who struggles to choose between PUBG, Fortnite, and H1Z1 as the best battle royale. Number 4. Warmorize. Red vs. Blue. Red vs. Blue shares more visual similarities with shooters from the 90s, like as Quake and the original Counter-Strike, but its gameplay and player interaction make up the difference. Its vehicle combat sets it apart from other games and is mostly featured in elimination-based game variants. One of the FPS web games with the healthiest player bases is Warmorize, Red vs. Blue. Even off-peak hours in the United States are not difficult to locate matches. Overall, if you can get past the archaic aesthetics, this is a good browser shooter option. Number 5. Venge. Venge is a far more complete browser-based first-person shooter game that incorporates abilities and class-based systems while putting a focus on 2 vs. 2 matchmaking to ensure you won't be waiting around for too long for a game. You may use Venge's leveling system to increase one of your character's skills and give them more offensive capabilities. Venge undoubtedly delivers a lot of material with mechanics that seem fluid and simple to play every session, and it doesn't even need to be downloaded. Number 6. Krunker. You can run Krunker on any computer, regardless of its power. Which is why it's such a fantastic browser shooter. It makes use of visuals like those seen in Minecraft to operate on all types of computers. You take on the role of a soldier entrusted with eliminating your enemies. There are 10 different game modes available in Krunker. The free-for-all option, in which you compete against other players for the most kills, is one of the most well-liked game variants. The game also offers a variety of character classes, such as the revolver-wielding detective, a marksman hunter, and the bullet-crazed triggerman. So, these were the 6 coolest FPS browser games that we've found so far. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching guys. Have a wonderful day.